Hey everyone, today I'm sharing something new for me, and I'm sharing these two super adorable sticker kits that I got from Stickii, which is an online shop and subscription service for these stickers. Now, I bought these from my own money, but I will put below a referral link. And as far as I understand, if a certain amount of people sign up using my link, then I get like a kit for free or something like that. So if you want to use the link, go ahead. If not, then that's okay too. I'm just giving you all the info. So I bought this myself. This arrived super fast. Here's the website. In case you don't want to use my link, you can just hop on over to the site. And they offer every month 3 kits. There is the retro one, which is the first one I'll show you, the cute one, which is coming next, and then the pop one, which I didn't get. So what I love about these, besides the fact that they arrived so fast, is how well thought of everything is. They come in this folder, so you can just stick them in an A5 binder, and you see you get this cute sticker, so you can mark which kit it is, and every kit has like a theme. This is my first one, so if I make a mistake in the details, please forgive me, but I'm just giving you everything that I know. So you get a selection of products, and you can see what I got in the retro kit. I wasn't going to get this, but then I saw the sneaks, and I just thought it was so adorable. And I don't even drink tea. I'm a coffee person, but this was just so beautiful. What I like about it, you can sign up for one of the kits or all 3 of them, and there is no commitment. It costs actually the same to sign up on like a month-to-month basis as it does for 3 months or 6 months, and you can cancel anytime. Each kit is $10, and then international shipping, I'm in Europe, is $2.50, and if you sign up for 2 kits, you pay $2.50 shipping for each one. So it doesn't reduce the cost of, that's me trying to figure out those clips. It doesn't reduce the cost of shipping because of, the way that they ship it's like a letter size or something. So they ship it separately. And then if you get all 3 kits, I think they ship it together, but it will still cost you 3 times the shipping cost. So I think it's fair. I know how much shipping costs, and I still think it's really fantastic value. What I also like is that you can see sneaks of the kits and then decide if you want to sign up or not. So next month, I was actually going to sign up just for the cute kit, but then I saw this one, the retro one, and I signed up. And next month, I don't know if I will get both. So we'll see. I'll wait for the sneaks. And I really appreciate that, because I've tried, several subscription-based type of things. And for me, I just can't use the stuff fast enough, or not every month. I really like everything, and I think the flexibility here is a real draw for me and a big advantage. So my impression from the products is that the quality is really nice. These would work well, in my opinion, best in a planner or in my new Hobonichi. It's, I guess it's relatively new. I got it a few weeks ago from Japan. I have a friend in Japan, and she kindly curated an order for me. And my first Hobonichi, I am in love. I will admit it. I have some very strong feelings toward that planner. I also just switched from my previous planner, I switched to the Hobonichi, so I use the weekly part. I have the cousin, the A5 size. I'm using the weekly part for my planning, and then the daily part for journaling and adding lots of stickers. So yeah, this was the sticker sheet that got me to get the retro pack. Can I have, please, 5 more? It's just adorable. So where was I? Yeah, so I think these work really, really well for planners and kind of junk journals. I don't think they, you could use them on scrapbook layouts, but I think they're just perfect for planners. They're all like really thin and just beautiful. So this is the cute pack, and the theme is everything fluffy or something. So fluffy. And it just has the cutest stuff. So this is the sticky notes. You also get like sticky notes and then a few papers, a paper clip, and then some stickers and some flakes. So this one is marshmallow, like a toasted marshmallow with chocolate cheeks, and I think it's just adorable. And these are beautiful. And I really feel like also, the amount of stuff is really, really good. I don't know what I would do with like huge paper pads. I always kind of use a few papers and then I'm over it. And here, even though I think I might want to hoard these a little bit, they're just so cute. And knowing that, next month you'll get more really helps kind of to motivate you to use stuff. And yeah, I want to stick them all in my cute Hobonichi, and it's just so cute. So while I'm showing you the stuff that comes in the cute package, I'll also tell you that at the end of the video, there's like a sped up portion of sticking stuff in my Hobonichi. You don't have to watch that part, but yeah, these are so cute. And I admit I've been shopping a lot a bit on AliExpress. If you're familiar, it's all from China. They offer really, really inexpensive stickers and like these sticker flakes and washies and all those things and a ton more, but that's the only stuff I've been buying there. And I still think, even though this kit ships from Los Angeles, I still think it's fantastic value, even when I compare it to AliExpress, especially considering how fast this arrives. Now, in AliExpress, you can usually, like what I've ordered was for the most part free shipping, but it takes like 2 months or a few weeks till you get the stuff. And there is something to say about a really great curated kit, because it's also a time saver. So for people who are kind of willing to like experiment with different styles and different types of stickers and try things and not have like a super, super, super specific taste, I think kits are just, and this one in particular is just like a really fun thing to have, especially where you can see, let's struggle a bit with the stickers, especially that you can see sneaks. They don't show, I think, the whole kit in their sneaks on the Stickii Instagram, but you can get an idea and then you can decide if you want to get the kit or not. And that's also really, really nice that you don't have to commit to something that you might not like. So I think people with very, very specific taste, you're probably better off just buying the stuff that you like and not taking a chance on buying stuff you might not enjoy. But I feel like this, when you're just like stick stuff in your planner, like me, even if, not every sticker is my all-time favorite, although I have to say, I really love. The cute pack was like a huge success. In the retro pack, for me, there's probably a couple like that golden phrase stickers with like congratulations and all that stuff. I'm not sure I will be able to use that. to use it up. But yeah, I think here like 95% of everything here is super, super adorable. Beautiful quality. Love the way that it's packaged, and it's so thought of. And yeah, they also have a store, and I think you can buy previous kits, but if I'm not mistaken, they're more expensive. But obviously then, you can see everything and you can choose everything. So skipping back to this is the monthly, and then this is the weekly. Now, yeah, if you have strange preferences or issues with your Hobonichi, then write me below and share. So I was a little bit hesitant. I know this might come as a shock to some of you. I was a little bit hesitant to add watercolors to mine because I started with it like just adding stickers and journaling, using the daily parts. And it was just like, my precious. And I was just laughing at myself. Yeah, I'm insane. But I don't know. I didn't want to, and I love watercolors. Like, I live for watercolors. I watercolor every day, all the time. But I don't know, somehow I was feeling a little bit precious because I knew I was going to get like the crinkly pages. And even though I like that in my other inserts with the Tomorrow River paper, yeah, I don't know. I was a bit hesitant. So finally I decided, okay, I'm going to add some of these to the weekly spreads that I didn't use because I got this in late, like at the very, very end of April. And this has an April start. This is like the spring Hobonichi. So I had a few pages that I couldn't really use for planning. I thought, okay, I'm going to sacrifice them and try. And worst case, brace yourselves, I can tear it out. But I ended up really liking it. And then I decided, okay, I'm going to go back and add some stickers and maybe do some journaling just about these weeks. They're still not so far in the past that my senile tiny brain forgot what happened. So I can just add a bit of journaling and stickers. So the video is coming to an end. Please like this video. It really, really helps YouTube send it to new people, and let me know what you think of this. And if you are also a hobo addict, I would love to know. Have a fantastic day, and I'll see you soon. Bye.